Pumpkin season is upon us. Halloween is just around the corner. So today we're going to make some scary, spiced, sweet pumpkin muffins. These are delicious, perfect for Halloween. You will love these. Just mix together the sugar and the butter. If it's been brought up to room temperature first, the butter will blend really easily in to the mix. Then we can whisk together the 2 eggs and the sugar butter mixture. And once the eggs have blended in with the sugar and butter mixture, we can add the buttermilk. So if we add about 60 milliliters of buttermilk, this really just helps to create really nice moist muffins. And mix that in. Blend it in with the mixture. Then add about 60 ml of vegetable oil. Add the shredded and pureed pumpkin and fold that into the mix. Just blending it through. And now we can add the dry mix. And fold that in. And then you can just add the mixture to the muffin cases. And the muffins are almost ready for the oven now, but we'll just add some toppings first of all. And you can roughly chop some pistachios just to put on top of the muffins before they go in the oven. And we can take some pumpkin seeds, very Halloweeny, and just scatter them over the top. Like so. And we'll take some Halloween coloured chips and chocolate toppings. These will sort of melt into it. They won't stay quite as they look now, but it's just the colours are quite good. The green, purple, and sort of black. So very Halloweeny. So that's a really nice mix of toppings for these Halloween muffins. You've got the pistachio, you've got pumpkin seed, we've got Halloween sprinkles of various colours, and we have pistachio and pumpkin as well. What we can do, just to top it off really, really nicely, is you can take some more nutmeg and just grate that over all of them. And that just gives a nice little flavour as well. So these muffins are now ready for the oven. We'll bake them for between 16 and 18 minutes. The first 5 minutes, we will bake them at 205°C, which is 400 Fahrenheit. After 5 minutes, bring that down to 190°C, which is 375 Fahrenheit. And there we have it, the scary, spicy, sweet pumpkin muffins, all ready for Halloween. These are delicious. Just need a cup of coffee now or a hot chocolate and it will be perfect. Those are absolutely delicious. Just the right amount of sweetness, the right amount of pumpkin and the right amount of spices. So please try them for Halloween. Absolutely delicious. Please upvote if you enjoyed the video and remember to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. And we'll make another one soon, I hope. In the meantime, I'm off to carve another pumpkin. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.